Dear children, welcome to Biology online classes. So, today we are going to start a new topic, that is drugs and alcohol abuse. Okay, so this is a very relevant topic because the use of all this on the rise, especially among the youth. Youth are those who are using this are considered as what means it's a kind of fashion nowadays, and those who are not using, they will have to what suffer a lot of pressure from their peers. So it's a real cause of concern, because it can cause a number of harmful effects. Proper education and guidance is very necessary to safeguard the people against all this, and to follow the healthy lifestyle. So the drugs which are commonly used are classified under three groups. They are opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. So these are the three groups of what drugs which are commonly used. What are they? Opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. And most of them are obtained from flowering plants itself, or some are from the fungus. So when you see about opioids, okay, they are receptors. Receptors means which can identify and which can receive these molecules, are located in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Means when any person use this, these molecules are identified and received by receptors present in the central nervous system and in the gastrointestinal tract. Heroin, that is commonly known as smack, is actually diacetyl morphine. It's the diacetyl morphine, and which is a white, odorless, bitter crystalline compound. And how it is obtained? It is obtained by acetylation of morphine, which is obtained from the latex of the poppy plant. Poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. So it can be asked, Papaver somniferum, poppy plant. Poppy plant, what? The Papaver somniferum. Understood? What we get? Morphine. And this is the chemical structure of morphine. So the by the acetylation of morphine, smack or heroin is obtained, and it's a kind of what only? It's a kind of opioid. Opioid, and it is obtained from what? Papaver somniferum. And how it is taken? By snorting and injection. By snorting means by smelling, and by taking injection. This is generally used, and it's a kind of depressant and slows down body functions. So the drugs, they affect in different ways. Some of them, they cause the depression. Means depressant means the entire body functions will be slows down. So the person will be feeling a kind of sedative or sleeping type of feeling. Understood? So it's a depressant and slows down body functions. Clear? So the heroin or smack is an example of a opioid, and it is obtained from what? By the acetylation of morphine, and this is obtained from the latex of poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. All this you have to remember. It can be asked. Then next group of drugs that are generally used is cannabinoids. So these cannabinoids are actually received by the body by the receptors present in the brain. And natural cannabinoids, they are obtained from the inflorescence of the plant Cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa. And from this plant, the flower tops, okay, leaves, resins of cannabis plant, etc. are used for, okay, making different types of cannabinoids like what marijuana, hashish, okay, charas, ganja, etc. Understood? So in different combinations and from different parts of the plant, cannabis sativa, they are used to make different combinations. Okay, and it is generally used by inhalation or oral ingestion, means by eating or by means by smelling. Okay, inhalation. These these what type of drugs they affect, especially in the cardiovascular system. Okay, cardiovascular system of the body will be affected. Is it clear? Next group of drugs are coca alkaloids or cocaine. Okay, coca alkaloids or cocaine, and it is obtained from the plant coca. Okay, sorry, xylem coca. Okay, erythroxylum coca, which is actually the native of South America, and it is what spread to different parts of the world. Okay, so how it affects? It affects by interfering with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. So we have learned that neurotransmitters are what? The chemicals which are what needed to transmit the nerve impulse from one neuron to another neuron through the synapse, isn't it? So that kind of one neurotransmitter is what? Dopamine. So this dopamine's what the transfer will be interfered with this. Okay, and cocaine is commonly known as coke or crack. Okay, and is usually smelled, snorted. Okay, then it is how it affects by having a stimulating action on the central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria. Euphoria means actually person will feel a kind of energy. Okay, means suddenly they feel that they got means activated. Understood? So likewise an increased energy and euphoria will be formed, okay, due to the consumption of this. And excessive use of cocaine can also cause hallucination, means in the dream world. Okay, the person will be reaching to a dream world. Okay, so like this what cocaine, if it is used more, okay, or when it is used excess, that can cause hallucination. So other plants which causes hallucination are atropa belladonna, okay, and dhatura. Okay, so these plants, these plants are also having what? Hallucinogenic properties. Okay, and this, so this much is clear. Coca alkaloids, what is the major source of it? The coca plant called erythroxylum coca. Okay, and I told the what where it is affecting. It is actually affecting or interfering with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. Okay, then it causes a sense of euphoria and increased energy. And excess use can cause what? Hallucinations. Then what all other plants are having hallucinogenic properties? Atropa belladonna and Dhatura. Okay, and cannabinoids, we have studied here now, cannabinoids which are obtained mainly from cannabis sativa. Okay, so this what plant is or its product are used by the sports person. You might have heard, isn't it? The sports person, for their increased performance, they take some drugs and it will be what? Caught also, isn't it? If it is caught, then they'll be banned from the sport events. So you might have heard like that, isn't it? So the sports person, which kind of what drugs they are usually abused by? They are abusing what? Cannabinoids. Understood? Then drugs like barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, okay, etc. are also drugs that are used as the medicine. Okay, these are drugs used as the medicine to help patients, especially with some psychological problems like depression or insomnia, sleeplessness. Okay, so these are used for treating this kind of medicines. These medicines can be also abused. Okay, for example, another example is morphine. Morphine is actually a very effective sedative and painkiller. Sedative means what? After surgery and all, the person will have very high pain, isn't it? So they'll by giving this morphine, okay, they'll be in a sedative condition, in a sleeping condition. Understood? And it is used as a painkiller. So it's very what useful for patients who are undergone surgery. Okay, but when these drugs are used, abused, then it will become the drug abuse. Okay, so I told several plants like what Atropa belladonna, Thattura, etc. are having hallucinogenic properties, isn't it? And many other plants also, and this are used in folk medicines, religious ceremonies, rituals, isn't it? Means you can see some of the use of the kind of things, hallucinogenic properties, isn't it? With plants with hallucinogenic properties are used in different occasions as what religion in religious ceremonies, rituals, or as some medicines also. Okay, so whenever these are taken for a purpose other than the medicinal use, okay, or in amounts or frequency that impairs one's physical, physiological, or psychological function, it is considered as the drug abuse. Means whenever these medicines are taken for any other purpose, okay, for a religious purpose or for enjoyment, for rituals, whatever it is, other than medicinal purpose, and if it is used in a frequency or in an amount when that amount or frequency affects your psychological, physical, or physiological functions, then it is considered as what? The drug abuse. Okay, now another what important what drug addiction is what? Smoking, isn't it? So tobacco is used by human being for many years, isn't it? So tobacco contains what? Many chemicals, especially a particular chemical known as nicotine. Okay, it's an alkaloid, and this stimulates the adrenal gland. So adrenal gland will release what? Adrenaline and noradrenaline, that increases blood circulation. Okay, and which causes or which increases the heartbeat rate. This causes what? A feeling of what? Energy. Understood? So this is the reason people are smoking. So smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancers, okay, cancer of lung especially, urinary bladder, throat, bronchitis, then emphysema, coronary heart disease, gastric ulcer. All these are the side effects of the tobacco use, isn't it? And tobacco, if it is chewed, it is highly associated with what? Cancer of mouth, oral cavity. Understood? And then what? When a person smokes, in their blood, the carbon monoxide concentration increases. Okay, so that reduces the concentration of hemoglobin. Hemo bound oxygen means oxygen bound with hemoglobin, and this causes oxygen deficiency. Understood? So this way it affects. Okay, so what are the harmful effects of smoking? It increases the blood what? Circulation, or increases the what? Blood pressure, then increases heart rate, and it is having lot of adverse effect like cancers of lung, then urinary bladder and throat, bronchitis, emphysema, okay, coronary heart diseases, gastric ulcer. All these are the after effects of this. And when a person chew it, that is the major cause of what? Oral cancer. mouth cancer. Okay, and when a person smokes, what happens? The carbon monoxide content increases, that reduces the hemoglobin bound oxygen, and this causes the body to go to a oxygen deficiency condition. And you can see when what the cigarette packets are bought, okay, lot of warning will be there, even in advertisement, even in films. Okay, so what government is trying to do is to warn against the after effect or injury that is caused to the health by this. Okay, so still people are not aware and they are continuously using this, isn't it? And it may be started for a just what just for a fun, and it can be lead to addiction. Okay, so the any addicts, if it is, if they require counseling and sometimes medical help also may be needed, so in that cases it will be provided. So today's portion you understood, I hope. We studied about different kinds of drugs which are commonly abused. So what are they? The opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids or cocaines. Okay, some other drugs are also used which are commonly obtained from the plants. Okay, and some other what the drugs, they are actually used as the medicines, and they, when they are abused, okay, they are considered as the drugs. So let's see in the next class. Thank you.